Oh hi! This is Sunstone's 15-day timer and welcome to you all. So this is a very interesting format that we picked up and we want to be able to share with you all the updates of what happens at Sunstone on the back end and what's happening on the admission front every 15 days so that you guys stay updated. I have a list of these updates ready on my computer. I'm just quickly going to read through it. This month we launched the EduFest 2021. EduFest is India's largest virtual counseling session ever, and this year we saw 15,000 people take part in it. Out of that, 325 people enrolled in our courses. It was a huge success and we love that you supported us. Also, so you know, we were also giving out scholarships during the event, and about 325 people got scholarships worth 65 lakh rupees, which was incredible again. Other two big events that happened in the last few weeks that we won 2 awards. And I'm quickly going to tell you the names of the 2 awards. So one was the Outstanding B School with Best Placements, which was awarded to us by ELETS Education at the 19th World Education Summit. And also we won the Institute with Best Placements by Franchise India. 2 big awards came our way this month and we're so excited about it that we had to share it. Moving on to other stuff that happened, this update is for people who've just completed their class 12 and just completed their undergrad. So we've actually started 2 new courses this month. Sometime in July. One is the BBA course. A lot of you might already know about it. It's a 3-year undergraduate program. We're doing it over 6 campuses. I'll just read out the campus names to you. It's in Jaipur, Dehradun, Coimbatore, Ludhiana, Jamshedpur and Hubli. And if you want more details on which college we've partnered with, etc., you can reach out to our counselors or check the description. So all the details are there. The other one is the MCA, which recently started, and we've started the counseling for that. It's a 2-year postgraduate program that you can take part in, and it's available at our NIT campus in Greater Noida. Again, if you want more details for it, happy to share them with you. You can, get in touch with one of our counselors. Before I go to like a really big update, which is next, I want to tell you about PGDM, because this is like, some of the questions that we get from students a lot. And we hear from the counselors that this is something that really confuses you as to what is the difference between a PGDM and an MBA. And a completely valid question. I faced that question also when I was deciding, but the fact is that both of these courses are very similar and they're equivalent to each other. They're just authorized by different bodies, and the curriculum is about the same. What's different is the way that it's taught. So PGDM is typically a more practical course and it is aligned to the industry, but at Sunstone the curriculum and pedagogy is very much the same. So in fact, this is a fun fact, 9 of the IIMs give PGDM, MICA and a couple of other B schools also give a PGDM. It's a postgraduate diploma. So yeah, so there's nothing to worry about. They're just 2 different things. But if you obviously want more information, you can always reach out to our counselors and know more and get to know a little bit and figure out what the faculty and the curriculum is like. That would really help you to make a choice between them. So I took this pause just to talk about PGDM, but coming back to our next big mega update, you would be very excited to know that some of the Sunstone campuses have already started class and the batches have started. So the batches have started for our GD Goenka, NIET students, and also NIU orientation is underway right now. So by the way, the orientation program at Sunstone is quite something high, and everybody who takes part in it enjoys a lot. So it starts with definitely getting to know the batch, your classmates, etc., which is very exciting. There are also fun games in the middle, and then you get a chance to be a part of a few classes, a few courses to really give you the flavor of your 2 years ahead. So congratulations to the students who are already a part of the orientation. And then also the big update is that for RRI Bangalore and JECRC Jaipur, the orientations are starting in August themselves. So again, all the best to you guys and enjoy your orientation. And for rest of the students who are still wondering when their classes and their orientation will start, please keep a tab on your email, SMS, keep in touch with your counselors, because they're the ones who will first tell you that your orientation is about to start. Complete all your formalities before the orientation so that you have a very smooth experience, and then obviously when you meet your friends and everything, once you meet your batchmates, you'll enjoy a lot. I have another big update. each update's just getting bigger as we go. But the next big update is that the offline campuses may also start very, very soon. We're trying to figure that out, trying to figure out when it's going to be safe for you all to return to campus. Now, just a quick note here again, because we hear this from students a lot, like, is it safe to return to campus? So you need to know that we will not open the campuses till we know that it is safe for you to return to the campuses, right? And also the fact that vaccination certificates are very important for students to return to campus. So all the necessary steps have been taken care of, and till the time that it's safe for you to return to campuses, everything will be online, done in a very seamless way. We have a very tech savvy faculty and student base, so we'd be able to do it very smoothly till the time that you can return. So just in case you or your parents, and we know that they worry a lot for you, if they feel worried, if you feel worried, rest assured. But if you have more questions, again, stay in touch with your counselors, write to us in DMs, let us know your queries. For now, there's an interesting bit towards the end. In every video, we will pick out an interesting video where Sunstone got featured and shared with you. So I'm just quickly going to play that for you to have a look, and then we'll close it.
When I usually put up videos about planning for your masters abroad or planning for your masters in India, there are a lot of questions that usually come across. Bro, I really want to study at a good college, but थोड़ा सा finance का problem है, कुछ हो सकता है? Definitely हो सकता है. Check out Sunstone University, where they have a post-paid MBA program where you get placed first and then pay your fees. They have 23 campuses in 18 plus cities like AIM Pune and CIM Kolkata, where you can get recognized degree from UGC approved college partners. Check it out. Cheers.
Okay, so how'd you like the video? If you liked it, drop in your comments and tell us. And also if you want to request for a certain kind of a video for next time, we'd love to play it for you. This is the end of the first edition of the Sunstone 15-day timer. We'll be back with the next one very, very soon. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from Sunstone University. Bye for now.